How to create account on GoodBudget application. Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to create account on GoodBudget. So let's jump to the process. First, make sure you have GoodBudget application. You can simply download it from Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. After this, open your GoodBudget application. Now here you can see New to GoodBudget. Tap on Create a New Household option. Here you can see existing envelope. You can tap on any one of them. Here I am going on with groceries. Now here you can change the budget amount. Tap on budget amount and simply enter the budget that you want to go with. Then tap on budget period option. With this, select the budget period. You can also add in due date. It is an optional choice. After you change the budget however you like, tap on save. With this, you can also add new envelope. You can tap on add envelope option. After this, tap on envelope name option and enter the envelope name. Then tap on budget amount option and enter the budget you want to spend in. With this, tap on budget period option and select the period for the budget. With this, you can also add due date. After you do so, tap on save. After you set up your budget, tap on next. Then you'll be asked to add money in envelope. You can simply tap on fill them for me. After you do so, you'll be taken to registration page. Now tap on email address section and enter your email address that you want to use to create your account. Then tap on password and enter the password. Make sure it is strong. Then tap on repeat password space and re-enter your password. Now if you want to get email updates from GoodBudget, then you can tap on get feature updates box. With this, once view terms of use, then tap on I agree. After you fill in all the information, tap on finish. With this, you'll be notified that your registration was successful. Now tap on let's go option on the bottom. With this, your GoodBudget account will be created. Here on the top, you can see my GoodBudget account has been created. And this is how you simply create GoodBudget account. If you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.